Welcome to Membership Websites. So we're going to have a look today at some of the sections that may appear on your website. You can see we've got some sections down here. We've got quite a few sections, but we've not really populated our website yet. So some of the sections we might not want to display, for example, new members, and that we've only got one member, one sample member. We might not want to showcase our top categories because we've not added them yet. So we might want to remove that as well. We might not even want this section here to display. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the sections, where the sections are, and how to display or remove them. So if we go to the admin section and we go down to design settings, and we want to go into the home page tab, I think we were just already there. So we'll go to the home page, and the sections that you're interested in is this section here. Select content to display. So we've got streaming members, which is associated to this section here, but we don't want that to display yet because we're still populating our site and we're not going to have enough members to display in that section. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to this section and we're just going to simply cross it off. We've then got some custom content, which is located just below that section. So yeah, we're going to keep that. We did say we were going to lose this section here as well. If we go back to the admin section, the homepage hero divider, this section is called. So we'll just cross that off. Okay. So we've now got our content section, streaming top categories, streaming member article sidebar, and the about join offer. We're going to lose the streaming member articles and sidebar. So we're going to take that off, and we're going to take the categories off because that's what we said we would do. And then we're going to save all that, and then we're going to go back to our website. And we can see all the content that's being displayed here. We can see what order it's being displayed in. So we're going to refresh our website. And then we're going to scroll back down again. And we can see that the hero divider has disappeared. And this section, this custom section, is now here. And we've got the section just below that, just here. Which is the about website and join offer. So that's what's displayed here. And again, we can customize this to meet our needs as well. So that is how you remove sections. You can add sections as well. So you could decide that you're going to add the hero divider, but you're just going to have it further down. You might have it coming off the custom content. That might look quite nice. Let's just go to save. Let's refresh. There we go. So we've got the custom content. And then we've got this section here, the hero divider. So the custom content runs off the call to action or the hero section at the top. And then we have the hero section divider, which is here. We might want to put a background to that. It's a wee bit bland for hero divider. So let's go for maybe a blue color. Try and match it in with a website. So we're going to go save. And we'll go back to here. We'll just refresh that. And then if we scroll up, we can see we've now got a blue background. Not ideal for the text, but we can change the text and the icon color by just clicking in here and selecting at the bottom the font color and icon. So we might choose to have white. So I'm just going to make that white as well. Save to continue. We're going to save that back to the main website, and we can see that they'll all turn white. make it a wee bit easier to see. Yeah, so that's how you adjust the sections, and you can edit any of these sections. All this is editable and customizable. Again, with all this as well, you can change the icons and the text that's appearing and all of this too. So you can really make it your own membership website with the content that you want to display. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.